and this is the headquarters of this music. More than 50% of the 4 million tourists who come to Jamaica every year, certainly over the last 3-4 years, come to Jamaica because the music was one of the biggest drawing cards. Not the food, not the sea or the sun and the sun, the music, right? But yet we use reggae music to advertise Jamaica all over the world. But there is nowhere in Jamaica that you can go on any given day where you can go listen to a reggae concert. If you go tune in a little dance and keep somewhere, by the time you reach 11 o'clock, midnight, police come and mash up the people in sound system to lock off the dance. This is the same reggae music, you know. Reggae music around the dance. The same reggae music where we are celebrating and things. We used to have some like a stage show down behind the prison there on Tower Street. Police lock it down. You have to get all kind of permit and all kind of corruption involved. So we are kill the music, right?